guys, we're here to talk about measurement today, and I want to show you how you're going to do your measurement assignment today. So, with me, I have Izzy, but we're not going to measure Izzy because Izzy won't stay still long enough for us to measure her. But Izzy likes the broom that I thought we could measure, so Izzy is chewing on the broom right now. So, hopefully she'll get out of our way so we can do some measuring. All right, so your assignment today asks you to use different shoes, some kid-size shoes and then some grown-up size shoes. So you have two choices. You can either get a bunch of shoes like I did here, some kid-size. So this front row, those are Campbell's shoes. Those are kid-size shoes. And then some grown-up size shoes. And I decided to use Mr. Nivison's shoes because they're much bigger than mine. So you can really see the difference between kid-size and grown-up. So if you look at one of Mr. Nivison's shoes next to one of Campbell's shoes, you can really see there's a big difference, right? Campbell's shoes are much smaller. So when we measure that broom, you can choose any objects in your house to measure. I chose this broom right here in my house. When we measure that broom, do you think we'll need more kid-size shoes or more adult-size shoes to equal the length of that broom? What do you think? Make a prediction, and then we'll see if you're right when we do it. So you're going to see a paper that looks like this on your computer or your iPad, your device, and it's going to ask you to use kid shoes. It says my shoes, so those will be your shoes, and then a larger shoe, so an adult size or a grown-up shoe. And it gives you an example. The first example is you measure the living room TV. It took 9 kids' shoes, but only 7 grown-up shoes. So let's try this broom. Anybody have any predictions about how many kid-sized shoes it will take to measure this broom? All right, well, don't forget, we want to start at the very beginning of the broom and measure all the way to the very end. We want to make sure we start our first shoe at the very beginning of the broom, like that. Okay, and we want to make sure that we line our shoes up. We don't want any space between them, and we don't want them to overlap. So 1, 2, what do you think is next? 3, so these are all kid-sized shoes. They're all Campbell's shoes. 4, 5, let's see, what do you think? I think I need one more because this does not go all the way to the end of the broom yet. So here's one more. 6, and if you look at the end of this shoe, it lines up pretty nicely with the end of that broom. So how many kid-sized shoes did it take? It took 6. So let me show you what I wrote in my chart. Oops, just broke my pencil. There we go. Okay, so for this first column, item I measured is my title of that column. So I go down, the item I'm measuring is a broom. So I wrote the word broom. And then it says my shoes. So even though these aren't my shoes, they're Campbell's shoes, I wanted to do it with kid-sized shoes. So it would be more like what you guys will do. My shoes, how many? And I wrote 6. 6 kid-sized shoes. So now we're going to try Mr. Nivison's bigger shoes. Any predictions about how many bigger shoes you think we'll need? What do you think? You think 6? Do you think more than 6? Do you think fewer than 6? All right, let's try it out. Here we go. I'll line them up right next to Campbell's, and I'm starting at the exact same line. So 1, you guys can count with me. 2, 3, 4. Oh, what do you think? How many more are we going to need? Get myself out of the way. We have to go right to the end of Campbell's shoe. So far we have 4. Here's 5. And I think that is it. So I'll show you right on that other side of 5. This one sticks out a little more. So how many grown-up size shoes did we need? We needed 5 grown-up size shoes. 5 big shoes. So I went ahead and I wrote the number 5 under larger shoes. How many? We needed 5 larger shoes. Why do you think we only needed 5 grown-up size shoes and we needed 6 kid-size shoes? What do you guys think? You think because the grown-up size shoes are larger, they're bigger, so you don't need as many to equal the length of the broom, right? Is that what you said? Good job, boys and girls. I hope you have fun with this assignment. Bye-bye.